Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this digital age, the internet is not just for cat videos and conspiracy theories. It's an ever-growing marketplace, a veritable treasure trove of opportunities to earn a living. It's like the modern gold rush, except instead of pickaxes and gold pans, we're armed with laptops and Wi-Fi. Say goodbye to that dull 9-to-5 grind. Who needs water cooler banter when you can have digital dollar signs? But how does one navigate this online goldmine? Let's dive in. First things first, understanding the online income streams. Let's delve into the digital world of making money. Picture this, an income flowing in from your computer, like a stream of gold. Starting with affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the door-to-door part. However, it requires a knack for marketing and a solid audience base. Then you have e-commerce. Ever fancied owning a shop? Well, now you can without even leaving your couch. But remember, it's not all smooth sailing. You need to manage inventory, customer service, and deal with competition. Freelancing is another lucrative avenue. It's the digital equivalent of being your own boss, offering your skills to the highest bidder. But it does require a steady stream of clients to keep the bills paid. Blogging and online courses can also bring in a pretty penny, provided you have the knowledge people crave. They're a bit like teaching, but with a global classroom. Now that you know the different ways to earn online, let's talk about how to get started. Ready to make the leap? Let's talk about starting your online venture. First things first, play on your strengths. That's right, identify your skills or areas of interest. It could be anything from coding to cooking, or even cat grooming. The internet is a vast space, and there's room for everybody. Next, choose the right platform. It's like picking the perfect pair of shoes. You need it to be comfortable, stylish, and of course it should fit. The same goes for online platforms. Find one where your skills can shine. Now, let's get down to business. Create a plan and stick to it. Consistency is key. It's like going to the gym. You can't expect to have a six-pack after one workout, right? Finally, remember that perseverance is your best friend. In the online world, things might not always go as planned. It's a bit like baking a soufflé. It may not rise on the first attempt, but don't let that deter you. Remember, the online world is your oyster, and with the right approach, it can turn into a goldmine. Let's round up what we've uncovered today. The online landscape is a goldmine, brimming with opportunities. Understanding the basics is crucial. Affiliate marketing, content creation, e-commerce, and freelancing are just some of the ways to earn. Starting your online venture is a leap, but with the right mindset and tools, you can navigate it successfully. Remember, consistency and perseverance are your trusty companions on this journey. So, are you ready to trade your tie for a laptop? The online world awaits you.